2 minus 6 is negative 4, and 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Then, negative 4 times negative 6 equals positive 24. However, this result is incorrect because we failed to follow the mathematical order of operations. According to the order of operations, we must first solve what is inside the parentheses. 2 minus 8 is negative 6, so the expression becomes 2 minus 6 times negative 6. Next, we follow the order of operations, which prioritizes multiplication. 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Now, the expression is 2 minus negative 36. Since a negative times a negative becomes a positive, the final answer is positive 38. Before we dive into this advanced math challenge, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's look at the problem. 6 squared minus 20 times the quantity of 6 divided by 3 times 2. According to the order of operations, we must solve inside the parentheses first. Since we have both division and multiplication, we solve from left to right. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now, the expression becomes 6 squared minus 20 times 4. Following the order of operations, we calculate the exponent next. 6 squared is 36. So, we have 36 minus 20 times 4. Since multiplication takes priority over subtraction, we first calculate 20 times 4, which is 80. Finally, 36 minus 80 equals negative 44. Thank you so much for watching until the end.